Hey metalworkers and DIY pros! Are you ready to upgrade your shop with a powerful, precise, and portable plasma cutter that delivers professional results without breaking the bank? Then stay tuned, because today, we're comparing three of the hottest plasma cutters on Amazon in 2025, the Reboot 60A Dual Voltage Plasma Cutter, the BestArc 55A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter, and the BestArc 55A Blowback Non-HF Plasma Cutter. Whether you're cutting steel, aluminum, or copper, these machines bring serious performance, durability, and clean-cut technology right to your workbench. Let's dive in and see which one deserves a spot in your garage. Keycap 1 Reboot 60A Plasma Cutter Dual Voltage RBC 6000D, almost equals 150 words. First up, the Reboot 60A Plasma Cutter, a beast of a machine that blends power and precision in one compact body. With dual voltage, 120V/240V, and a 60A IGBT inverter, it easily achieves a half-inch clean cut and up to 3/4-inch max cut on steel, stainless, or aluminum. This upgraded RBC 6000D 2025 model comes with a durable torch, extra tips, and a user-friendly LCD display. Pros: fast cutting speed, solid duty cycle, and smooth ignition. Dual voltage makes it perfect for both home and workshop use. Cons: slightly heavier than entry-level models, not ideal for ultralight travel jobs. Customer review: cut through 3/8-inch steel like butter. Reboot nailed it with this upgrade. This one's ideal for professional fabricators, welders, and serious DIYers who need reliable performance. Check it out on Amazon. Keycap 2 BestArc 55A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter, almost equals 150 words. Next, meet the BestArc 55A Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter, built for clean, effortless cutting even through painted or rusty metal. The Pilot Arc technology lets you start the cut without touching the metal, extending tip life and improving precision. This dual voltage, 110/220V, unit delivers up to a 5/8-inch clean cut and a 3/4-inch max cut. The large LED display and post-flow mesh cut feature make it super easy to control and cool your torch. Pros: smooth Pilot Arc start, clean edge quality, large digital display, great for beginners and pros alike. Cons: requires a stable air compressor for best results. Customer review: used it on old farm gates and exhaust pipes, worked flawlessly. Perfect for auto repair, fabrication, or restoration projects at home or in small shops. View it on Amazon. Keycap 3 BestArc 55A Blowback Non-HF Plasma Cutter, almost equals 150 words. Finally, the BestArc 55A Blowback Non-HF Plasma Cutter, a game changer for anyone needing interference-free cutting. It uses blowback Pilot Arc technology, meaning no high-frequency start, so it's safe to use around computers, CNC tables, and sensitive electronics. You get dual voltage, 110V/220V, a large LED screen, and a built-in air sensor for automatic pressure adjustment. It delivers a 5/8-inch clean cut and up to 4/5-inch max cut, making it one of the most capable compact cutters in its class. Pros: non-HF start for cleaner operation, air sensor for consistent airflow, and top-tier precision. Cons: a bit pricier than standard 35A models, but totally worth it. Customer review: zero interference with my CNC table. BestArc nailed the non-HF design. Perfect for garage makers, CNC users, and serious metal artists. Shop it on Amazon. OUTRO, almost equals 50 words. So there you have it, 3 power-packed plasma cutters ready to turn your metalwork ideas into reality. Whether it's the Reboot 60A for pro cuts, or BestArc's advanced 55A Pilot Arc models, each delivers top performance at a budget-friendly price. All links are below. Go grab your perfect cutter today. Would you like me to make this into a voice-ready version with natural pacing and YouTube-style pauses, for a 3-minute narration? It'll sound perfect for your Amazon affiliate video voiceover.